Hi, my name is Shawn. I want to help you learn numbers. Let's count all the objects in my wagons. I have one car, two construction cones, 1, 2, 3 drums, 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mailboxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jars of jam, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 keys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 nails, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh no, my crates fell on the ground. Now my wagon has 0 crates. Help me count to 10 to put them back in my wagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it! Thank you! Now we're ready to go. Let's go!